Hello friends, in this part, we will discuss how to make question number navigation button, for go to any number of question, by click on button. In previous part, we have make previous and next button navigation, for go to previous or next question, by using PHP script with Ajax. But suppose user want to go particular number of question directly, for this here in view exam.php file, we have make one division tag, with id is equal to, question navigation area. Under this tag, we will make question navigation for go to any number of question. Now we have go to jQuery code, and here we have make question navigation function. Under this function, we have start write Ajax request, with first option URL set to, user Ajax action.php file, so it will send request to this file. In second option, we have write method option, and here we have defined post method for send data to server. In third option, we have write data, and here we can define which data we want send to server, we can define here, so here we have send exam ID variable value, page variable, with view exam value, and action variable with question navigation as value. Lastly, we have write success callback function. This function has been called, if Ajax request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server. Under this block, we have write $ with division tag ID question navigation area, with HTML method, and under this we have write data variable, it will display HTML content under this tag. Now we have go to user Ajax action.php file, and here we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $post action variable value is equal to question navigation. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $exam object with query variable is equal to, select question ID column from question table, where online exam ID is equal to, $post exam ID variable value, order by question ID in ascending order. Above query will fetch all question ID of particular exam. Now we have write $result variable is equal to, $exam object, with query result method, it will return above query execution result. Now we have write $output variable, and in this variable we have append this HTML code. After this, we have write $count variable is equal to 1, this variable value we will increment, display as question number on navigation button. For fetch data from $result variable, we have write for each loop, and under condition, we have write $result variable, as $row variable. Under this loop, we have write $output variable, and in this we have append this HTML code. For make question navigation button, here we have write button tag, with type is equal to button, class is equal to question navigation, we will use this class value as selector in jQuery code. After this, we have write data question ID attribute is equal to $row question ID variable. In this attribute, we have store question ID value, and in button text, we have write $count variable value. It will print question number. For increment $count variable value, we have write $count variable is equal to $count variable value plus 1. So, here question navigation HTML code has been stored under $output variable. Now we have write echo statement with $output variable. It will send data to Ajax request. Now we have go to view exam.php file, and here we have write $document selector, with on method, and under this we have write click event, and button class question navigation. So when we have click on button, then this block of code will execute. Under this block, we have write question ID variable is equal to $this, with data method, and under this we have write question ID. It will fetch value from data question ID attribute, and store under question ID variable. Now we have called load question function, with question ID as argument. This function will load question with 4 option on web page, based on value of question ID variable. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, here we have on running online examination web page, and here we can see one question with 4 option, and here we can also see previous and next button, for go to previous and next question. Now we have refresh web page. After refresh of web page, here we can see question navigation button has been appear on web page, with question number. So suppose we want to directory go to 4th number of question, we can click on 4 number button, and after click on 4 button, here on web page, we can see 4 number question has been load, with 4 option. So, by using this question navigation, we can go to any number of question. So in this part we have seen how to make question navigation button for go to any number of question. In next part, we will discuss how to load profile details on web page, and we will also make exam timer also. If you have some suggestion regarding this PHP-based online examination system, you can comment in comment box. If you want to learn this system, please stay connected with us.